guys, I know I'm a bit late with videos this year, obviously we're not surprised, are we? But anyway, today I'm actually going to be trying to recreate my kind of like everyday winter look that I used to do when I was in college. And I have no idea why, but I stopped doing it. It's very fast and very easy to follow. I literally did it in like 10 minutes every day to go to college. Let's get on with the video. I totally forgot to have my camera rolling, so all I did was put my hair in a low ponytail and applied my Nivea cream. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender and then a concealer. I used to use a concealer from Collection in the shade Fair, which I'm pretty sure was like the lightest they had. I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. Next, this was optional depending on how much time I had, because sometimes I had a little bit more time. I would use a bronzer, but as you know, I was kind of scarred with bronzer, and for Christmas my sister got me the L'Oreal bronzer in the shade Sunkiss, and I'm probably going to use this one. The reason why I'm scared of bronzer is, right now I don't have a clue if I put too much, because in the mirror it looks fine. In the camera it might look a lot worse. Also, I don't know if my face matches my neck, but that doesn't matter right now. But this is a comparison of my hand to my bronzed face.
Hi sisters!
After bronzer I would always do my brows, so I was never the girl who actually had much of a brow. Like, my brows are very faint, I guess. So normally I would either just brush them or I would actually put product on them. I had this Revolution eyebrow palette for quite some time. I probably should have thrown it out by now, but it's like the best thing I had on my brows so far, so I'm keeping it because my hair is brown and it's quite dark brown naturally. I use the darkest shade, which is here, so I'm just gonna dip that and trace over my eyebrow. So when you're done with like your eyebrows and whatever, I then would normally go into eyeshadow. I saw this trend going around and I just wanted to follow it, and it's basically, I wanted to make my eyes look bigger than they already are, and that trick was with a white eye pencil and also a brown eye pencil. So that's what we're going to use, but also I was told to use the same shade and the same product of what I put on my brows to match my eyeshadow. I'm once again going to use the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use either the same colour or the one up to make it a bit brighter, and then apply it to my eyelid. So yeah, just apply the brown for as many times as you feel comfortable, and then I guess just blend it out better than I did. So I used to use a different pencil, like normal pencils, but now I prefer like the scrolly ones. So I'm gonna use the Essence Long Lasting in Snow White, and I'm just gonna do my waterline. It might be a bit scary if you're doing this the first time. It's not that bad, and if you go slow it's fine. And also, as you can tell, I poked myself in the eye with it, so you're not going to be the only one if you do it. Next, another eyeliner. So basically I was told to apply an eyeliner, a brown one, to match the colour of my eyeshadow onto the upper lid, then halfway under my eye to create that, like, let's say, dimension. That line is not going to be there, so you don't have to draw your neatest lines. So once we do that to our upper lid and our lower lid, we go in with a cotton bud, and we basically just blend it out with it to the point where you think you like it. I normally tend to like blend it so much that it looks more like a smoky eye, I guess. So after blending, it should look kind of something like this. One of the last steps would be mascara. So I'm just going to use the Body Collection mascara. It's actually cheap and very good. And then at that time, I was obsessed with this lipstick. I know it's just like normal drugstore lipstick, well, lip gloss. It's the Matte 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 Long Lasting Lip Gloss from Essence. so that's the end of the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was very simple, as you can tell. Make sure to smash a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to get notified anytime I post another makeup video. I'm gonna try and do more of these, and I will see you this week or next week. Bye!